Welcome to our channel. Today, we are taking you on a colorful journey through a world filled with stunning tulips. Get ready to learn 40 fascinating facts about these beloved blooms that you probably never knew.
Tulips were originally cultivated in ancient Egypt nearly 1,200 years ago.
The Netherlands is the world's largest producer of tulips, accounting for over 70% of global production.
There are around 100 different species of tulips in the world today.
Tulip flowers can grow up to 15 feet tall, depending on the variety.
Tulips come in a wide range of colors except for true blue, which is genetically impossible for them to produce.
In the 17th century, tulip bulbs were more valuable than gold in the Netherlands during a period known as tulip mania. The edible parts of tulips were consumed during the food shortages in World War I.
Tulips naturally grow in warm regions and are commonly found in areas of Uzbekistan and Myanmar.
The petals of the tulip are shaped like the wing of an eagle, which signifies strength and longevity.
Tulip petals are edible and have a taste closely resembling honey and sugar.
In general, tulip plants are known to live up to 100 years under optimal conditions.
Tulips can symbolize love, particularly the red variety, which traditionally means a declaration of love.
White tulips are commonly associated with forgiveness and are often given to apologize.
Tulip bulbs are often used as a substitute for onions in cooking in some parts of the world.
The tallest tulip on record reached an impressive height of 6 feet. A fully bloomed tulip flower can measure up to 12 inches in diameter. Tulips were introduced to Europe in the 16th century by traders returning from Asia. The word tulip is derived from the Persian word delband, meaning turban.
Tulips are the national flower of Turkey and the Netherlands.
The average lifespan of a tulip flower after cutting is around 12 days.
Tulips close their petals at night and open them again in the morning in response to sunlight.
Some varieties of tulips are scented and emit a scent closely similar to saffron.
Tulips have been featured in numerous famous paintings, including works by Claude Monet and Vincent van Gogh.
Each tulip bulb can produce between 4 and 6 daughter bulbs annually.
Tulips have a natural waxy layer on their petals that helps them retain moisture.
A tulip's color can change from the time they bud to full bloom due to the intensity of sunlight.
Tulips are part of the lily family, Liliaceae.
Tulips contain alkaloids, chemicals that can be toxic to animals when ingested in large amounts. In optimal growing conditions, tulips can bloom twice in one season.
Tulips are used in natural dyes to create unique shades of pink and purple. The black center of a tulip flower symbolizes a lover's heart, engulfed in passion.
Tulip fields in the Netherlands attract over 1 million tourists each spring.
Tulip petals can be used in potpourri to fragrance the home.
In literature, tulips often signify rebirth and renewal, representing the arrival of spring.
Tulip decorations are often used in weddings to symbolize elegance and prosperity.
Some believe that tulips bring good luck and prosperity if planted in front of homes during spring.
The Keukenhof Gardens in the Netherlands, known as the Garden of Europe, features nearly 8 million tulips annually.
Tulips generally require a period of cold dormancy before they can bloom.
Tulip motifs adorn traditional textiles and ceramics in various cultures, symbolizing beauty and craftsmanship.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these little-known facts about tulips. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content about the world around us.